Alright guys, in this video we're going to show you how to fix your shock shafts if they're bent. So it'll be a free shock fix. It's not going to be perfect necessarily, but it'll definitely save you a ton of money. You can fix it at the skate park or wherever. Let's jump in. Let's get started by taking our shocks off. Alright guys, we're taking the shock off. Get down there at the bottom, it's full of dirt. Get a whole lot smaller little Allen wrench socket. Shove it up in there, or Allen wrench or something, or flat screwdriver, something a lot smaller than what you want in there, and tear all that dirt out. Then you'll be able to just run your normal one up in there and it'll come right out. Now that you got your shock off, you can look at it there, see that it's bent. So you're going to pull up, push bottom up to get it off. It's got a groove cut in, just pop it off. Now it'll be easy when you release the spring pressure, that way you don't lose your shock or your spring. So the bump stop's going to stay on it. You pull your spacers off. They've actually got a groove cut in them, or you can go over the shaft or whatever. Here's the piece for the top that the spring actually rides against. That does not have a groove cut in it. But now you look and you see that it's bent. It's kind of bent up here really. So you can put this in a vise or a pair of vice grips, or you can just take and run it up in the body. Try to bend it. So just figure out where it's bent at, run it down here. You can bend on it ever so gently. If it's really bent, put it in a vise, take a pair of pliers to it. But you just want to keep doing that until you call it straight. Remember, if you go prying too hard on the shock body, you can tear it up, so don't be crazy. But that's pretty well perfect. It's close as you're going to get it without really getting serious. Yeah, maybe do just a little more right there. But that'll work. That thing doesn't have to be perfect. This thing ain't no NASCAR or something running 200 mile an hour. This is just a bash, saving you money. Now you're ready to put it back together. I'm going to put my thicker spacer on first. Thin spacer. Piece that your spring rides on. Make sure your shaft's pulled all the way down. Run your spring up. Hold it. Put your bottom on. Your actual pedestal. Make sure your spring is on there like it belongs. Cycle it a few times. Reinstall. I'm still using the stock location on the bottom. I am looking for a little extra spring tension and a little extra height out of it, so I'm gonna move it out a hole up top. Put it. It's an easy trail fix if you got a bent shock.